Hey guys, so you see this wig on my head right here? Well, I have a secret. It's full of holes. Yeah, but you can never tell because I fixed it. See right here? You can barely even tell. I'm gonna show you how I did that today. So here's the top of my wig. As you can see, there's a little flap right there that needs to be cut off. I'm gonna cut that off camera because it was hard for me to do it on camera. But yeah, this is the underside of my wig. Yikes, right? It looks like a Tim Burton character all sewn up. I had an accident with my blow dryer, and I learned that you're supposed to air dry your lace wigs always. Do not blow dry your lace. It will melt, or it can melt. I did it before and that never happened to me, but it happened with this wig. Here's the hole that we're going to be patching up today. We'll need some transparent thread. I got this from Joann's. You will also need some super skinny ballpoint needles. I also got these from Joann's, and you want to use the smallest needle, okay? Because the lace is delicate. So here, I'm going to show you that I'm going to try to place my needle not too far away from the hole, but not too close to the hole, because we don't want to break the lace, but we also don't want to get that bulge where I had that flap in the beginning. So yeah, so you're gonna tighten it as tight as you can, but don't pull too hard because you do not want to rip your lace. Now, defeat the purpose. Here, we're just about done. I didn't tie the knot on camera because knots are super hard for me to tie, but yeah, once you're done, just double knot the end of your thread and you're all finished. I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you save some coins with this little tip here. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.